guys, it's very hard for you when you are stuck between this phase when you want to say that. Talking with my mother, she said when she found the sky, that some people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. When you think that you're in love, when you're really just in pain. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. In the end, it's better for me. That's the moral of the story, babes. But you also wanna say that सजना के सजदे में इतना रहने लगे